Hello everyone and welcome to another amazing video of Money Spam. In this video, I am going to talk about my $10 per day model. Yes, you can get started for as low as $10 per day in the paid models and start seeing tractions before you are ready to invest heavily. So keep watching. So when you talk about online business, people usually think that you need to invest $100, $500, $1,000, $5,000 per day or per month before you can actually start a business. No, that is not correct. The correct thing is you can get started for I will say as low as $5 or as low as $10 in this affiliate marketing space or dropshipping space or lead generation space and so on and so forth. And if you are not ready to spend even $10, I have told you, I think what 17, 18 methods now how to get started with affiliate marketing free of cost. Yes, no cost at all, free of cost. You can watch my other videos and you will be having enough knowledge to get started on your feet. But if you are not ready to take a step forward, there is nothing I can do. You need to take a stand now and you need to start working hard. And if you are wondering why my hair is like that, because my wife decided to cut my hair, and there is very little you can do when your wife decide to do something about it. She was trying her hairdressing skills, but jokes apart. So, what is this $10 model? This $10 model is basically where you spend not more than $10 in one day. Yes, the cheapest thing that I would suggest you to spend $10 per day on paid media would be Pinterest. So you can go to OfferVault. If you don't know what OfferVault is, you can start watching my videos for CPA marketing or whichever video I mentioned that how you can make money without selling product. Those are CPA marketing methods. You just go and watch them. This $10 per day you spend on Pinterest ads because Pinterest is the cheapest ad source at the moment, and I am like 99% sure it is going to be the cheapest ad source among all social media networks for next 5 years at least. The CPC equals to cost per click. The CPC on Pinterest ads are as low as $0.10. That means 10 cents. I have even seen CPCs for me which have dropped to $0.04. Yes, we are talking about US traffic. And the max CPC I have seen is $1.5. That's about it. So imagine you can get 10 clicks. Now, will you be getting rich with $10? No. But is $10 going to hurt your pocket? That is also no. Because a Starbucks coffee is going to cost you $10. So if you are ready to ditch that latte, you can get started with an online business. And let's be honest, trying a business is a way more fruitful approach compared or drinking a latte because we waste money there. So you get $10 every day and you don't spend anything more. I have started multiple businesses where I have tested campaigns using $10 or $15, sometimes even as low as $5. Yes, I never try with $1,000 or $5,000 to test my campaign. I only spend those amounts when I have found a winning campaign. So I would put $10 and I would see if that ad is working or not. How do you know that the ad is working? You know the ad is working by looking at the CTR. CTR is click through rate. That means it is the engagement rate. The engagement is what? Whenever the user is clicking on your ad to go to your landing page. Okay, now I have already explained what a landing page is, what an ad is. I'm not going to go into those details. If you want me to create a video on how to create a Pinterest ad or how to create a Facebook ad, Google ad, Quora ad, you just let me know. I will create videos for that. But for now, CTR is what you need to look for in the newest created campaign or ad. If your CTR is coming good, on Pinterest 1% is a really good CTR. But on other platforms, anything apart from Pinterest, anything less than 5% CTR is not that good. Okay, and 5% is the average. For Pinterest, average is 1%. So that is how the game plays. So you spend $10 and you spend till when? Till your ROS. Now ROS stands for return on ad spend. And these all matrices you will see in Facebook campaign, you will see in Google campaign, you will see in Quora campaign, you will see in Pinterest campaigns, as long as you have your tags, pixels in place to check the conversion event. So you can see these in the ads dashboard as well. So you can get started for $10. Please take the initiative now. That money is literally sitting there, but it is not going to come to you. And I will tell you, of all the people that keep on mailing me, I have a mailing list, I have a Hindi channel, I have courses on Udemy, and these people just keep mailing me, please help me how to earn money online. Come on, man. If you're not going to take a step, if you're not going to put your feet in the marketplace, how is someone going to help you? You need to take your life in your own hands. You need to start making investments, because if you are not ready to invest even $10 a day, $10 is what? Nothing. $10 in a month is $300. It's not a big amount. And if $10 is high for you, try with $5. But please try. You're not going to become rich with $5. But if you find a winning campaign, yes, if your landing page starts to convert, if your ads start to see CTR more than what I mentioned, for Pinterest more than 1% and for other networks more than 5%, then you have a winning campaign and a winning product which is converting. And if it is converting, you can start spending more money there. More money equals to more conversion. Imagine you reach a level where you are spending $10 and you are earning $15 back. So instead of spending $10, you put $200 there. You get $300 back. You optimize a little more. What happens? The conversion rate, instead of 10 to 15, changes to 10 to 20. If the conversion rate becomes quite decent, you can start going into email marketing, you can start going into SMS marketing, and these all things will kick in. But please get started, and you can get started for as low as $10. I have built multiple businesses for me and my friends starting with as low as $5. So that is the $10 model.